How to share your current location on iPhone. To do that, tap and hold a few seconds the apps on your iPhone. It comes out like this. Then tap on send my location here. Now by doing that, it brings to this interface. The first thing you have to do is that you have to take a look at is that you have your name and the map beside the iPhone logo here, so you can share your location with message, with mail. You can send it through note reminder. You can send it through Facebook, WhatsApp, X, and Instagram and others. Then you can also tap on view more to see how you can send your location. So let me send it through message now. Tap on message. Now tap on this plus icon to select the fellow I want to send my message to. So let me tap this. Then once you've done that, it comes out like this, you can see. Then go ahead and tap on send button to share your location with that fellow. So that's all guys on how to share your current location on iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.